have you ever noticed that the screens on your iPhone look too bright or, on the contrary, dull? The color may be different due to the settings that were changed accidentally or were activated by an update. So I'm gonna show you how to reset your screen colors back to the default settings. Watch to the end and you will learn a useful tip that may help you in the future. So as you can see, my screen is looking a little bit odd and the colors are just not the default option. So to fix that, we need to press and hold on the home screen first, click Edit button in the top left corner and then click Customize. So by default, we have Light Color Palette. Set it to the light and save changes by tapping on the screen again. But it still didn't help because the colors are strange. So to fix that as well, we need to check some settings. Find Accessibility tab, then go in Display and Text Size, and scroll down until you can see 3 sections: Smart Invert, Classic Invert, and Color Filters. Everything here should be turned off because, as you can see, it reverses the colors of the display, just like that. So toggle off the switches and then check the color filters. In my case, was enabled green and red filter, so I'm gonna turn that off by toggle off the switch. And now my colors are back to normal. And also, it's helpful to sometimes just reboot the device so that the settings are updated. That's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.